Hello viewers, today I am going to discuss the basic concept of education. We will discuss the meaning, definition and narrow and broader meaning of education. Before starting the topic, hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Bibori Classes. This is my first educational channel where I am going to discuss about the subject education. Okay, let's start. Before starting the concept of education, you must know the father of education. The father of education is Horace Mann. Now, the concept of education. Education is a lifelong and continuous process. It starts from birth till the end. Why it is called a lifelong and continuous process? Because education is not limited in the school, colleges or under controlled environment, but also at homes and in workplaces. As for example, online learning from YouTube, such as cooking, sewing, also acquire knowledge by taking a self-interest course through online educational app. Now, what is the aim of education? The aim of education is all-round development of the child. All-round development means as a whole. It means that development of a child as a whole. That means physical development, intellectual development, emotional development, cultural, spiritual, vocational, aesthetic, moral language, social, religious development, etc. Why education is necessary? Education is necessary for each and everyone in order to improve our knowledge, also our way of living as well as social and economic status throughout the life. Education also helps a person to get knowledge and improve confidence level all through the life. It plays a great role in our career growth as well as in the personal growth. That means education helps us to get knowledge and also improve our confidence level. It plays a great role in our career growth. That means if you have a good education, you can have good career, good job, good living, etc. Also, education also helps you to become better in your life. Now, education is one of the most powerful agencies in molding the character and personality of the individual. That means education helps us to change our character and personality of the individual and also determining the future of individuals and nations. Education is the process of facilitating learning or the acquisition of knowledge, skills, values, morals, beliefs, and habits. Acquisition means an ability that has been acquired by training. That means through education, you can acquire knowledge, skills, values, morals, beliefs, and habits. Now, the origin of the word education. There are different views regarding the origin of the term education. Let's see. The word education is derived from a Latin derivation. In Latin, the word education means to draw out, to bring up, to foster, and so on. Educationists also trace out the root of education in two other Latin words, that is educare and educere. The word educare means to bring up or to nourish, and educere means to lead out or to draw out. Again, education also been derived from the Latin word educo. What is the meaning of educo? The term e means out of and duco means to lead. Also, another derivation from the Latin word educatum. What does it mean? Educatum means the act of teaching or training. Now, the definitions. According to Indian philosophers, what it said? According to Indian philosopher, according to Mahatma Gandhi, by education I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in the child and man body, mind and soul. What does it mean? As I said, that education is an all-round development of a child. Mahatma Gandhi describes that education is an all-round development of the child. That means development of your physical, emotional, intellectual, means as a whole development. Now, according to Swami Vivekananda, what does Swami Vivekananda said? Swami Vivekananda said that education is the manifestation of the perfection already in the man. That means something which is there within us, and also how much we desire to learn something new. Also, Rabindranath Tagore regarded education as That process which makes one's life in harmony with all existence and thus enables the mind to find the ultimate truth which gives us wealth of inner light and love. That means education not only imparts information and knowledge to us but also promotes love and feelings between us and makes one's life in harmony. Now, according to Western philosopher, according to Rousseau, what does Rousseau say? Plants are developed by cultivation and men by education. That means the child has to bring up like a plant in the garden by the teacher, and the teacher responsibility is develop his potentialities with proper care and nourishment. Again, according to Heinrich Pestalozzi, he said that education is natural, harmonious, and progressive of man's innate powers. I have given an example here. You can see he has analyzed human development on the basis of the growth of a tree. He clarified that the whole tree is inherent in its seed, and as the seed requires proper environment to grow from a seed to a tree. In the same manner, the whole man is inherent in an infant, and proper environment is needed to develop the infant into a man. And the most important role in this environment is played by education. That means, see, he said that the whole tree is related to its seed. That means, first of all, we have to plant a tree, and if we plant a tree, first of all we must need a seed, and that seed needs proper environment. Also, you need proper care. Proper in the same manner, he said that the whole man is related to his childhood, and proper environment is needed to develop from child into a man. Also, Rose said that the aim of education is the development of valuable personality and spiritual individuality. Now, the narrow meaning of education. What's the narrow meaning of education? Narrow means which is limited in a particular environment. Here it said that education means schooling. Here everything is systematic, prefix, and predetermined. That means where there is some rules and regulation. See, the curriculum, methods of teaching, examination, and teacher are prefix and predetermined. It is a systematic process to achieve the definite goals of education through classroom instruction. That means in narrow meaning of education, here education is provided under controlled environment where there is some rules and regulation. A learner can get proper employment after getting a certificate from this institution. Overall, we can say that formal education is the narrow view of education. We can summarize the narrow meaning of education in the following points. Here I have given some points regarding the narrow meaning of education. Here you can see it is a plan. In narrow sense, education we can say it is planned, organized, and formalized process. It is also a deliberate and controlled modification of behavior of the child. Also, it is imparted at a particular place. At a particular place means, yeah, you can say in school, in college, or in university. At a definite time by a definite person. It is equivalent to instruction. Also, it is deliberate, planned, and generally dominated by teacher. That means where teacher will provide you knowledge, and teacher is a active participants. Also, it is considered an influencing immature person by mature one. That means immature person means the student, and the mature one means teacher, where teacher will provide the subject matter to students. Also, students are a passive recipient of knowledge and information, and teacher is an active knowledge provider. And the amount of knowledge is measured in terms of degree and diplomas. Now, the broader meaning of education. In a broader sense, we can say education is not limited to the four walls of the classroom. That means education is a lifelong process. it is a modification of behavior and experiences from different means of a source of education. That means we can gain knowledge from different sources of education. Also, we can modify our behavior through experience. It also helps one to cope and adjust in changing environment. It equips a private with different knowledge, experiences, and skills for his all-round development. In broader sense, life is education and education is life. That means experience gained through the house, temple, church, family, playground, club, society, school include the broader meaning of education. We can summarize the wider or the broader meaning of education as follows. Here, it is a lifelong process. In broader sense, we can say that education is a lifelong process. It is a broad as life itself and not limited in a classroom or school only. It means that in broader sense, there is no any rules and regulation. It is free and uncontrolled. That means you can get education from any sources. It means the process of development from infancy to maturity. That means from childhood to adulthood. Also, it is meant for the development of balance, all-round harmonious development of personality. It comprises the totality of our experiences. That means which we learn from our experiences informally. Also, it is based on innate potentialities and abilities of children. Innate potentialities means which is inborn potentialities and abilities of children to learn from different sources. Also, it is education by the living, to the living, and for the living. What does it mean? It means that you can have a good life if you have a good education. Also, you can earn enough money to live in a harmony. So, these are the concept of education. How you find my video? Do comment, and you have any queries, then you can send me mail which I have provided in the description. So, I conclude here. If you find this video valuable, then do comment, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.